Hey guys, welcome back to this video, and today we are going to fold this skull using a square of paper. So first of all, you need a square of paper, and first of all we're going to fold the paper in half. Then we're going to divide this side into four. So fold the paper in half. Like this. Then we're going to turn the paper over this, and we're going to fold this edge to this crease. Right, then we're going to turn the paper over like this, fold this up. Right, then turn over, so fold this edge to this center crease. Do the same thing on this side. Unfold, and I'm going to fold a crease right here. So we're going to align this point to this crease. Then also the diagonal line actually is aligned, so and the edge also should be aligned, so you get a nice crease like this. So we do the same thing here. Like this. Then we unfold, we get something look like this. Then we're going to make one more crease right here by folding this edge to this crease. Then we're going to collapse the paper. So first of all, we make this outer crease here into a modern fold. Right, then this crease should be a modern fold, so make it. And now we're going to collapse it this way. So we're going to collapse it like this. Right, straight down. Now we're going to fold this up like this, right? Then we're going to sink it like this, right? And after that you make this modern fold, so you look like this. So do this right here. So we'll get something like this, right? So now fold this inside like this, right? Then going to reverse fold these two sides. So look here, so there should be a crease right here, right? So basically we fold this edge to the center crease and align this edge. So like this, then you see you done something like this, right? So you can just fold it first to make a crease, right? Then you do the reverse fold so that you can have a much nice crease and nice fold, right? Like this. Then I'm gonna rotate the paper and going to fold this up, and we're going to do squash fold or a shear fold. So basically you just fold about like this much and you squash it this way, so you look like this. It's kind of hard to explain, just make sure you squash and one side is meet the point here. So then make fold like this. So make sure this edge is aligned with this edge here. I hope you can see it right here. So look like this. You see I have a sample here, so you do the same thing on this side, right? Then we're going to fold this a little like this to make nose. Like this. Then I'm going to fold this up by line to here. There's a crease, that means the edge, so align like this to the middle, then like fold like this, then fold this down like this, and we're going to slide so we can make the black. So we do the same thing on this side. So fold this up, line like this, and do the same thing, fold this down and open and slide like this. So now make fold like this, like shear fold like this, and also this side. Then you cover it like this, right? So make something like this. So now we're going to make a cream fold right here like this. right? Then I'm going to make a fold like this. So this one is the reverse fold. Then fold this now, and you get something like this. So do the same thing here. So after you've done that, you shape it, the whole thing. Then if you've done it correctly, you basically complete the model. I hope you like this model, and don't forget to click the thumbs up button and also click subscribe and also open the notification bell. And thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next origami tutorial. Bye!